Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about doing homework in your class. My suggestion is you should never do that in mathematics class. When the teacher is showing how to solve a problem, some students love to open their homework and find a very similar one to work on. They do this probably because they want to save some time doing their homework. But I want to tell you it is not a good idea because of 3 reasons. Number 1, it will make you tired easily. You need to do a lot of things if you want to do your homework in class. You need to read your teacher's example. You also need to search for a very similar question in your homework. You need to understand the steps in your teacher's example. You also have to apply the method on a different set of numbers. The red ones show you the extra work if you want to do your homework in class. That is a lot of work and could make your brain tired easily. Number 2, you may not understand each method very well. Why understanding each method is so important? First, let's see what happened at final time. When you do your final review, there will be lots of questions from different topics using all different methods. Each method may have several steps. You have to know when to use each method and how to do each step correctly. That is exactly why we need to spend a lot of time understanding each method. If you wait till final review, it is usually not a very good idea because you do not have enough time for all those methods. You should really do that earlier. For example, when the teacher first introduced the methods. It is better because usually there will be just 1 or 2 methods introduced per lecture. So you have enough time to understand each step of the method very well. But if you are busy doing your homework in your class, you will not have enough time to understand everything in your class. And at the final time, you will find some methods or steps look so similar that you may mix up one with some others. And that will be not good for the final exam. Number 3, you will always miss the first review, which is very important. As I have shown you, we need to do at least 20 questions with different methods at the final exam. Other than good understanding of the methods, reviewing several times after we learn the material is also very important. We will review before we do homework, quiz, midterm, and final. All those reviews are very important for memorizing things. If you choose to do the homework in class, you skip the very first review. It is very important review because it is the closest one after your teacher's lecture. If you miss anything in your class, for example, you fail to understand some methods in the class, it should be a good chance to catch up and digest the material. For the later reviews, which are at least 1 week after the lecture, it is much harder for you to do that. If you choose to do your homework in the class, you will not have that important review, so it is not good for catching up missing things or memorizing your materials. Okay, those are all the reasons why you should not do your homework in class. It will make you tired easily. You do not understand each method very well, and you will always miss the very first review. So basically, you may not be able to understand everything in class, and you will not have a good chance to catch up later. Okay, I hope you all have a great semester of study.